So students, here it is another problem on the marginal costing. Let us go through the problem here. From the following information, calculate PV ratio, break-even point in terms of units and rupees. Number of units to be sold to earn a profit of rupees 90,000 of 90,000. Fixed cost 72,000 rupees. Variable cost is 15 per unit. Selling price is 24 per unit. So this is the information they have given, but in this information the thing is, here they have mentioned nowhere mentioned about what the total output. So here when they have not mentioned any total output, we have to calculate only with the units. So here also they have given the selling price per unit and the variable cost per unit, but only fixed cost in total amount they have given. To convert these two into the total amount, they have not mentioned the total output. If they have given the total output, means we would have multiplied with the per unit rate and we would have got the total rupees. So here, as they have not given the total output, let us calculate the contribution. Why I am telling you the contribution is, to calculate the profit we need all the amount into the rupees. Here they have mentioned in a per unit, so that is the reason we have to calculate only the contribution over here. So let us start the calculation of a contribution. So first one comes sales. To find out the contribution, we got the formula is the sales minus variable cost. Sales is how much? 24 rupees per unit, and the variable cost is 15 rupees per unit. 24 minus 15, it will be 9, which is the contribution, right? So then let us calculate the calculation of PV ratio here. To calculate the PV ratio, we got the formula like the contribution divided by sales into 100. So what is the contribution here, which is 9, already we have find out, divided by the 24, which is the sales they have done, into 100. We will get how much? 37.5% is what the PV ratio. Next, let us calculate the break-even sales. So when we are going to calculate the break-even sales, we got the formula like the break-even sales equals to fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So here fixed cost is how much? Already they have mentioned in the problem, which is 72,000 rupees that we have taken, 72,000 rupees, and then PV ratio is 37.5 that we have taken. So 72,000 divided by 37.5%, it will be 1,92,900. Next, similarly we have to calculate the break-even sales also for units. To calculate the break-even sales for unit, we got the formula is the break-even sales in rupees divided by selling price per unit. So that is the reason break-even sales per unit is already we have calculated here, which is 1,92,000 that we have taken, divided by selling price per unit is 24, right? So that also we have taken 1,92,000 divided by 24, it will be 8,000 units, right? Next, let's calculate the calculation of sales. Here we are not going to calculate the margin of safety. Why we are not going to calculate the margin of safety means, however, they have not given the any of the total output. So that is the reason we cannot find out the profit for the particular thing. In that case, to calculate the margin of safety, we got the formula like total profit divided by PV ratio, or else total sales minus break-even sales. Here we cannot calculate the total profit also and the total sales also, as they have not given the total output or the total sales. So here we are not going to calculate what the margin of safety. Then let us calculate the calculation of sales. So here they have told you to calculate the sales for how much. If the company wants to earn 90,000 rupees of a profit, means how much sales the company has to do. So here, what is the formula to calculate the sales? Sales in rupees equals to desired profit plus fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Desired profit already they have mentioned 90,000 that we have taken, plus fixed cost is how much? 72,000 already they have given in the problem, that also. So divided by 37.5%. If we calculate this thing, means we will get how much? 4,32,000. We will get what? The sales rupees. And then similarly, let us calculate the sales in units also. To calculate the sales in unit, the formula is desired profit plus fixed cost divided by contribution per unit. Desired profit, as they have given in the problem, it is 90,000 plus fixed cost, which is 72,000 we have taken, and divided by contribution per unit. Contribution we find out here, which is 9. That 9 we have taken. If we calculate this one, means we will get how much? 18,000 units.